Okay, so here it is, the Shiningshow custom tent. Again, like I said, this is a marketing tent or an event tent, and it's made by a company called Shiningshow, and you can customize it. It's a custom tent, so you can put your logo or your branding on it. But this is what it looks like. This is the bag that it packs up into. Right on this exterior pocket, again, I'm just going to start walking through some of the features of this tent. On the exterior pocket, you can store a lot of your hardware. These are your clips, your mounts for the side rails. You get 4 of those. You're going to get your bag that has your stakes and your tie downs. I'll just show you one of the stakes real quick. So these aren't just those weak, you know, sometimes you get the tent stakes or the camping stakes that just have that little angle on them. This is actually a braided stake that's going to have a little bit more durability, and so after it's tempered, it's going to be able to withstand a little bit more, a harder ground when you're trying to set it up, so it's not just going to start bending on you. And then you have your tie down straps in here, right here. And you're gonna get 4 of these tie down straps to be able to secure it once you get it up. So that's gonna come in the box. And lastly, you only need one real tool to assemble this. And what this wrench is for is to assemble the wheels. There's 2 wheels that come with this, and you assemble those onto the back of the dolly bag. So that's what comes, those are the tools and the some of the hardware that comes in this tent. Now let's go ahead and open this up before we set it up. Again, really good quality. For the price, not only are the materials high quality, the fabrics, but the metals are a higher gauge than a lot of the competitors, and so you're gonna really like that. So you get another bag. This is for all of your canvas or your fabric that has your logos on it, and I'll show you that after I assemble the tent itself. And then you have 2 individually packaged rod bags, and what these are for are your side rails, and again I'll show you what those look like after I assemble this. And then you have another bag, another really cool canvas bag with the logo on it